Here's how to hide the Facebook app on your Android phone without uninstalling it, whether you want more privacy, less distraction, or just a cleaner home screen. First, you can use your phone's built in app hiding feature if available. For that, you need to go to the search bar in your phone. Simply search for Hide Apps. You'll see the option of Hide Apps on Home and App screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the settings page. Tap on the same button again. And now you can go ahead, scroll down, and find the Facebook Lite or Facebook application. Then tap on Done in the bottom, and you'll be done. This way, your Facebook will be no longer visible in the home screen. It will be hidden from your app drawer, but it will still be installed on your phone. You can also try disabling the app or removing the home screen screenshot. Tap and hold onto this application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then you can go ahead and tap on this Force Stop application. Or if you see a disable option over there, you can just simply tap on that and you'll be done. You can also install a third-party launcher if you want, and then look for the Hide Apps feature and select Facebook and hide it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.